Good morning, guys. Happy Wednesday. I hope this message finds you with a good night's sleep last night and ready to go for your Wednesday. I'm looking forward to our Zoom meeting today. I'm sorry I missed out on seeing you guys on Monday, but I'm really excited to see you today. So if you're doing the blueprints before the meeting, I'll see you soon. If you are doing them after the meeting, then it was great seeing you. All right, here we go. We are taking a look at that same theme. Some friendships are extra special. Our strategy is going to be to question, and our skill will be to compare and contrast. So let's take a look what it means to question again. Let's ask some questions to find out more. My question is blank. So today we're going to read The Surprise Family, and with that story, you might have some questions at some point. So we might be doing some questioning throughout the story. All right, let's go ahead. Let's see here. Today we've got our stretchers ready again. So here we go. Ready to stretch them? First word, mat. Nice job. Show. Next word is made. Wait. And last word is batch. All right, here we go. Let's take a look at our AFIX review. All right, this is our third day doing it. Let's see how well we can do. Suffix, F-U-L. Sound, yep, you should have said full. Meaning, and again, that meaning is full of. Suffix, sound, should have said li. Meaning, let's do it together. In a way that is. So if we have li at the end of the word, it means in a way that is. Suffix, sound, we're going to do the sound E, and meaning, let's see, it means full of. Nice job. Suffix, sound, as, there we go, meaning, should be doing more than one or somebody else. All right, let's take a look at this AFIX review. Today we're just going to read them. So we've got helpful, which means full of help. We've got the suffix "ly" in the word gladly. So that would mean in like a way that is glad. Adding the suffix "e" to the end of the word. So for example, it's scratchy. So that means it's full of. So this one would be full of kind of like a scratch. And the ESS, we have kiss-es, which could mean more than one kiss, or we could be talking about somebody else. All right, our regular word review. Here we go. My turn, enough. Your turn. All right, with your fingers, go ahead and snap out and spell enough. Spell enough. Nice job. My turn, together. Your turn. All right. In a whisper voice, spell together. My turn, watched. Your turn.
In a big giant voice, spell watched.
My turn, there. Your turn. In a little mouse voice, spell there. My turn, kind. Your turn. All right. In a spooky voice, spell kind. My turn, mother. Your turn. All right, on your knees, I want you to go ahead and tap out and spell mother. Spell mother. My turn, loved. Your turn. All right, give yourself a hug because you are very loved. With each letter, I want you to squeeze your hug on your body. Here we go. Put your arms around yourself. You're ready to squeeze. Spell loved. Nice job. My turn, built. Your turn. All right, let's pretend you built a house. Put your hands up at the top like it's the peak of the house. Make a little triangle above your heads. And as you are building the house, technically the house would start at the ground and go up, right? Not at the top. So never mind. Let's bring your hands down low, like you've got two walls on the side of your body. With each letter, you're going to build up the wall. So finally at the end, you have built a house around you. All right, get your hands ready. Let's build up those walls. Spell built. My turn. Everywhere. Your turn. All right, let's pause the video because I want you to do some jumps with everywhere. So get yourself, pause it if you need to. Stand up. All right, here we go. We are going to jump out and spell everywhere. Big jumps on each letter. Spell everywhere. Nice job. My turn. Taught. Your turn. All right, pretend if you are teaching something, right? She taught the lesson to the class. So go ahead and pretend you are writing the word taught in the air. Get ready to write each letter as you're spelling it. Spell taught. Nice job. My turn. Walk. Your turn. All right, if you want to stand up for this one, pretend you're walking in place. You can even march a little bit. All right, here we go. Walk out and spell the word walk. Spell walk. My turn. Water. Your turn. All right, this is our last word. Let's go ahead and take our hands and kind of slide them back and forth. You ever done that? When we did that when we were making the sound of like, remember we did like rain and hail and sleet. So let's do that kind of swishing back and forth with our hands. And with each swish, I want you to spell water like this. W-A-T, just like that. Here we go. Spell water. Nice job. Here we go. Let's do some sounds. Sound. Sound. All right, hopefully you remembered that should have been oi, and this one's also oi. Sound. Yep, that should have been ah. Sound. Again, ah. Sound. Should be sound. 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 That should be ch. Sound. There's that oi again. Sound. Oi. Sound. Ah. Sound. Did you do ah again? Good job. All right, that was quick. Day 3, here we go. Let's read some words. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Word. Good job. Sound. Sound. Remember that O-U can say ow or it can say O. Just kind of depends. Sound. So it could be foul or it could be faux. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Let's check. Is it f-owned or f-ound? Oop. Yep. Found makes sense. Sometimes we have to try both ways if we're not sure what the word is. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Word. Yep, you should have done clutch. Good job. 2 more words. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. It's our first syllable should have been sir. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Sound. Whoops, it put it all together, but we know what it meant to do. Did this blend it together? Surprise. Clap it out. Surprise. How many syllables? Yep, you got it. 2. Last word. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Sound. All right, here's our suffix. Sound. All right, let's put it together. Family. 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 Good job. And give yourselves a pat on the back. Awesome possum. You guys did amazing. Super proud of you. All right, we did that in just under 10 minutes. You rock.